Hi, my name is Bryan Latz. I am the executive chef of South Neighborhood. We are at South Point at Case Hall right now, standing in the Great Lakes Plate venue. Today we are going to make a sriracha and honey glazed chicken with brown rice and roasted asparagus and bell peppers. I really like that dish because for me it's the perfect balance of heat, of spice, sweetness, and saltiness all rolled into one. It's a great dish that we're coming into barbecue season. It'd be a great summertime grill item for everyone. We run it in all three halls in South Neighborhood. It comes on the menu once a cycle, so once every 4 weeks. It is hugely popular. Usually we have a hard time making sure we have enough product in-house for it. I love culinary services at Michigan State. It basically allows the perfect work-life balance. Working outside of MSU, it's more of a work only, not the work personal life balance. Culinary service, treats our employees great, and allows you to still enjoy life and work hard at the same time. I think we are on the cutting edge and kind of leading the way in college food service in general. We have state-of-the-art equipment, state-of-the-art practices. Other universities come here to learn from us. I love being able to serve good food to all of the MSU students, so they're able to get an adequate, nutritional diet while they're here studying to be the next great leaders of the world.